Kei kia ora mai whānau, pēnā koutou e koutou mā. Sere wai te kahu here, backyard gardens. What a week. We had the Edible Trail come through. Over the last 3 weeks we've had 28 people have a look at our kaupapa, huaparakore kaupapa, in relationship to organic growing from a Māori perspective. Ran a workshop here, gave away seeds, went out to the Papakainga, had a look at what we're trying to do over there, and both retreat centre, organic growing, hua whenua, hua rākau, and permaculture in regards to food forest, utilising the canopy like we've done here. So yeah, just wanting, what the goal is eventually is, as you can see, my backyard is the Papakainga Marakai will look like that. So we'll have some things that are growing under canopy. We need to create canopy, we need to create food forest. We'll have other things that are open because they like those. For example, our tomatoes, our root crops, so they're under the ground. Just got some more in there. One of the things that we're starting to get into, and now that we've got the cycle of our worm farm going, we're actually now in the process of developing worm farm starter kits, and you'll see just over there I've got 5 that I've started, so those will be ready in 21 days. And how it works, I'll just come over. I've got some pictures up here. Is we have worms inside our container here. It starts off with a bedding mix, which I'll show you soon, then a little bit of water. I've done in a handful of existing worm mix, in the sense of worm castings. So I've grabbed a handful out and laid it down, which is what you can see as the starter inoculation of all the other materials. And then I've counted in 20 adult worms. I've actually done 25. They will double, so you'll have 50 worms in here by the time this is ready. And what this should look like is all that worm castings there. So the idea being is, if you're wanting to have some start your own worms, I've got some whānau that they've given me a worm kit, and I'm doing exactly the same thing for them, so they just get started. But I've got 5 at the moment. Each one of those I'm selling for $70, and that'll give you your 50, probably a little bit more depending on the rotation we go through. You'll have adult worms, you'll have baby worms, and you'll also have some worm cells that are in there, little round balls. Those are the eggs that the male worms lay. We're just trialling it out, because at the moment I've had a few people ask for some worms, and I've had some people ask for some worm castings. So we're going to probably also do some worm castings out of here. As you can see, that beautiful stuff, look at that. I'm going to probably sell it, sift it, and then do kilograms when we've got enough going. But here's the seed, or the bedding. I've got old mulch that I'm using. I lay that down, but that's not inoculated at the moment. There's no organisms or microorganisms in it. That's what the worms will bring when I put the worm casting in, and then they'll eventually eat all this up. So that's at the base of my trays over there. We have found adding worm castings to the plants that I plant. So for example, I planted my tomatoes here, and I'll dig a hole or a trench, and then I'll put a little shovel, which is this one here, of worm castings, put it in the hole, or put it in the trench, then I'll lay down the tomatoes. It seems to me that the success of the garden this year is I've done a lot more worm castings and putting that in, and yeah, over the last month people have asking for it, so it's going to give us 21 days, so pretty much the end of March they'll be ready. The other way of doing it, I can just give you a punnet ice cream. Yeah, it's not an ice cream punnet, not the leader one. Those punnets that you get from the ice cream shop out at Kitty Kitty, $5, and I'll give you, make sure there's about 10 or so worms in them. But yeah, just another way of generating some income for the trust and for the work that we do. And because we're making it, I've got surplus, there's heaps. Yeah, and look at our koi. It's looking pretty awesome. Anyways, that's what we're doing, whānau. We're getting into producing our kite, and we're producing materials that supplement our kite. Gonna be planting those out tomorrow. Those are broccoli over to the community garden on the side, which is free. But yeah, that's what she's looking like at the moment. Fig tree's doing well, kumara's doing well, bananas are growing well. Got some turtle, look at that turtle. Put some mint in there as well. Planted some rosemary there, over there. Yeah, it's looking good, whānau. Got some ake, harakeke, macadamia nuts, Nico, purple guava, dwarf, papaya. And a few other natives. Ahoy! Alrighty. Have a great day.